Hi, this is Amber with Thrifty Moms Reviews and More, and I'm here to tell you about Ozeri's electric pepper grinder. It's very easy to use. To put the batteries in it, you simply take it apart, click the little things here to pull it out, and it holds 6 AAA batteries. Once you've installed them, you just pop them right back in, and they're there. Okay, so maybe not as easy as I thought. There you go. Pepper goes in the chamber. You can choose how big you would like it to grind the pepper. Then you simply click the button. You enjoy fresh ground pepper. We definitely love this in our house.